Got the big show tonight. Better brush my teeth.
Turn it off! Turn it off!
Oh, right. Wasting water. All right. You know what? I'm just gonna take a nice, long, hot shower.
Turn it off! Turn it off!
I haven't even turned it on yet.
Turn it off! Turn it off!
They say I'm allowed at least a 5-minute shower.
Turn it off! Turn it off!
Better wash this cup.
Turn it off! Turn it off!
Pewee, I think what you mean in your piggy little way is that I should fill the dishwasher up to full and then run it?
My piggy little way!
Yes, your piggy little way.
Oh, well, you're right.
Thought so.
Don't waste water!